Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kevin from hapayu Unboxings and Reviews, and today we're going to be unboxing a Powerline adapter, specifically the TP-Link AV2000. We purchased this from B&H Video. They had a coupon going on, so it actually took 15% off the usual price, which is about $97. We picked this one specifically for all the great reviews that we read online, and we're specifically using this to boost the internet connection for our office computer line. So let's take a look and see what we have inside. Alright, I believe I already took the shipping label off, but this is the box that it was shipped in. And it looks like we can just rip this right open. My invoice. And the device itself. Now we are actually going to be using this to boost the internet speed for one of our computers in our office. Our office seems to be in kind of a Wi-Fi dead zone. And though we do get about 2-3 bar signals of Wi-Fi in that location, it will sometimes drop out on us. So we're hoping that this will solve the problem for that computer and allow us to have a steady connection to the internet, and as well as the rest of our network. They say that this is plug and play, so what you do is you plug one of these devices by your router and you want to plug it into the outlet, directly into the outlet. You don't want to plug it into a power strip or any kind of extension cord, but directly into an outlet. And then you simply connect it through an Ethernet line to your router. This is a pass-through line for your power strip so that you don't lose that outlet. And what this does, for those of you who aren't as familiar with how Powerline adapters work, is it actually takes the electrical system or electrical wiring in your housing, and then it uses your electrical wires within your house and passes the internet signals through those wires. See what else is in here, if there's anything else in here. You have a couple of Ethernet cables, and you have your technical support and user manuals, and again it does tout plug and play. So there you go everyone, that's what you get with the TP-Link AV2000 Powerline adapter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button below to let others and myself know that it was helpful. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more unboxing videos of our various purchases. Thanks again for watching everyone. Take care.